So y'all, that little yellow cake chocolate icing that's going viral here on TikTok, I'm about to make it from scratch, y'all. A homemade yellow cake with chocolate icing. I'm just bullshitting. Yes, I'm making it from the box. So we're just gonna empty both bags into this bowl. And excuse all the noise and talking in the back. I'm on my family trip. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. Go in with 2 cups of milk. Go in with 6 eggs. Give it a good stir with this wooden spoon. This is one of the most nostalgic cakes ever. Like, you really can't go wrong with a good yellow cake with chocolate icing. You know that I almost forget to put the fish oil in here. 1 cup of it. Because we want a good moist cake. I'm just gonna count calories this weekend, not me. You can do it, put your back into it. What? Some of this Pam on this pan. Y'all wanna know a fun fact? My mama name is Pam. Pour the cake batter onto the pan. Don't judge me, judge your mama. And we're gonna put this in the oven for about 30 minutes, I'm assuming. Babe, open this oven for me. It's a flimsy little pan. All right, y'all, the cake is done. I'm letting it cool off before I put the icing on it.
You ready for that cake, huh?
Second thing of chocolate
Well,
icing.
that's the first one I've ever been to in my life. So you gotta go check it out.
Be clean.
Buy a refrigerator magnet and keep it pushing. I'm alright with that.
They so strict on their employees. Yeah, they play them now.
For sure.
They pay them good.
Yeah, they ain't big operation. I didn't even think about it.
They ain't get paid no. They ain't get paid no less.
And this is what the cake looked like. I'm about to taste it. Hold on. I'm just gonna cut me a little piece of corner right here.
Who's out here? They have to move trucks around and shit.